So what's up, y'all? Today, I'm sorry if there's an echo, but we're in my bathroom because I'm getting ready to go to work. We're just gonna do my hair real quick. I just wanted to show you guys really quickly this hair that ISEE Hair sent me. It is their SILKIEST Straight, well, I said it like that. It's their SILKIEST Straight Hair, 26 inches, and it's booty bumping length, so you know I'm rocking with it. But yeah, ISEE Hair decided to work with me, and I'm really happy because, as you guys know, I did one of my first videos with them, and it was not sponsored. So, but without further ado, I'm gonna get into it because I gotta go to work in like 30 minutes. So I want y'all to see first, this wig is not glued down like at all. It's completely glueless, so you don't have to glue it down. As you can see, it's already on my head and like it has baby hairs and stuff. That's because I had it on for a little minute, like a day I guess, but that's a long time for me because I usually take them off the same day. But yeah, so I've had this wig on for about a day or two. You can see it's super silky. I'm gonna just go ahead and like, I'm gonna glue mine down, but you know, not with real glue. I'm just using my Got To Be spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and secure my wig. So yeah, and I'm not gonna be using a blow dryer because I don't feel like it. So y'all can see I'm kind of skipping around, but that's only because, like I said, it's glueless, so it doesn't really need glue. Certain parts that I know are gonna lift, I'm just spraying those parts. Okay, so all of the sides are now glued. You guys see, I didn't even take time to dry it. They just dried. If you put a really thin coat, it'll dry by itself in like 2 seconds. But now that we're done with that, I'm going to flat iron it while that kind of like gets hard so I don't mess it up when I do baby hairs. We're not even using flat iron today, y'all. We're using this freaking brush. I hate these. If you know me, you know I hate these, but my mom has one. I don't know why she spent her money on this, but I've been using hers because low-key, when I tried it the other day on this hair, I was rushing and it actually got it really silky. But what I would recommend if you're gonna use this is you go flat iron it like the first time you install your hair, because this hair is really puffy after I washed it. But if you just flat iron your hair the first time, you can always touch it up with this, so I guess it is good for that. It's super silky, and I know that was your favorite thing about the Nadula hair that I reviewed, or when you guys were talking to me on Instagram and stuff, a lot of you said you went and bought it because of the intro. That's one of my favorite qualities about this hair, because as you can see, it is silky and light, and I can't feel it moving. But I need to stop playing because I gotta get ready. But yeah, I love this hair. It's silky and it doesn't get tangled, and it literally just like flows everywhere. It's so pretty, and it's very thick for hair this long. It kind of looks like it's giving me like maybe 4 bundle vibes. But we're just gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna tell you guys more about the hair. So this is the packaging. As you can see, this is really cute. It's giving me like Instagram boutique vibes because, you know, the small businesses, we tend to put more effort into our products just because people aren't gonna buy it for our reputation. They're gonna buy it because it's like personal, like it's like a lot of effort put into it. You can tell they really cared about the design. It came in this bag, and let me show you guys. They literally sent these lashes. It has their freaking brand name on it, and you know these Chinese hair companies, they'll send hair with little cheap eyelashes, but it's just like those extra touches that like make it really cute to me. So yeah, we have those lashes, this pearl bow, the booklet with Glow Princess on it because she on everything, and then this is what we're using to do my baby hair today. We got the brush. It also has a glue applicator, so if you use glue, you can smooth it out or whatever. And I've never seen one like that, but that's extremely useful. And then of course it has the what is it called? Elastic band that you put in your wig, but you don't need it because, like I said, this wig is glueless. And I like how big the brush is because, you know, the regular ones are smaller. But yeah, it's some little baby touches that really make you want to shop with somebody, and I appreciate that they put that much effort into it, knowing they have thousands of orders probably. I do want to let y'all know I use Eco Styler for my edges. I don't know if I said it already, but this is their straight hair. Obviously, I know I said that, but It's in a 13 by 6 lace frontal, and it's a wig. They didn't send me bundles or nothing. And I just love how full their wig is, because I know for a fact that companies tend to go light on wigs, which is why I used to prefer bundles. But they've been going in, like, it feels like there's a good 3 or 4 bundles in this wig. Okay, so here is the baby hairs all done. I know I said I wasn't gonna worry about the hot comb, but I kind of want to do it now so it could just be all sleek and fresh. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna heat up my hot comb. It's already heated up a little bit because I started to heat it up before this video, and then I changed my mind. I just want to say, I know a lot of you guys know that I work from home. Well, if you don't know, you know now. And I said I'm gonna work, but that's just because every year I like to go work at Target during seasonal, because, well, obviously it's good money, like everybody knows Target pays good, but I love Target so much. And this year, if y'all didn't know, I'm leaving for college, so I'm definitely gonna be using my little discount or whatever to stock up on some of my dorm stuff. So yes, I'm working at Target, hence the red shirt. I mean, you wouldn't guess that just from watching, but yeah, that's where I'm going today. Today's my second day, I guess. And yeah, but it's not new or nothing because I worked there before. It's the same store every time I work there. So yeah, I wanted to let you guys know. Comment down below if you work at Target. I mean, I don't really know anybody who does, but if you do, let me know. I'm pretty sure y'all can see this isn't hot, but I'm really impatient, so we're just gonna pretend like it is. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I hope it's focused. I don't have my monitor with me right now, so I can't see nothing. I don't know what I look like, but the mirror said I'm fine, so let me know if it's cute. I can't really tell, but yeah, this is how it's looking. As you can see, first of all, y'all see the hair moving, like, I'm not gonna have to tell you, like, you can literally see. But yeah, so I'm really in love with this hair. If you're not, you tripping. I mean, come on. What was not to like? The pros and cons, I don't have a single con, and I've been wearing this for a day, so that says something, because y'all know I'd be having cons on wigs that I wear for 2 hours, as you saw in one of my last videos. I'm not gonna call out nobody, but yeah, so no cons. I guess the only con, no, it's not even a con, but something to note is that when you wash it, it's gonna look really puffy, but it don't stay like that. You just flat iron it. I had to flat iron it like twice. It was not getting straight and I was getting really nervous. But out the box, this joint is silky. Like, it was so silky. I loved it. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I know I look different. I just realized I don't really have on makeup and y'all don't really see me like this, but this is how I walk around regularly. I just like my eyelashes. All the links will be in the description box telling you where I got this and the length and density, blah blah blah. You can check it out down below. Of course, you can email them with any questions. Their email and contact information is down there. But I'm gonna let y'all go. Let me know what you think, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in my next video.